Let's say you're trading 0 DTE SPX iron condors and you're trying to collect that premium. Maybe you're risking about $1,000 in order to make $100 and you're winning consistently time and time again up until the point you lose one and it wipes out a large chunk of those earnings. Well, what if I could tell you there's a structure out there that you could do and risk maybe $30 or $50 in order to make 5 or 10 times what you're risking? Think it's not possible? Think again. I'm going to show you in this video how to set those up on 0 DTE trades or any kind of shorter duration trade. You can also do them on longer duration. So I want to introduce to you the butterfly. Now, it's not that butterflies are bad or complicated. It's that many people are programmed internally to go in and think that they want to go out and win. And that's what an iron condor does. However, the probabilities built into, let's say, an iron condor is that you win often only to lose big on one big, huge trade. Now, with a butterfly trade, what happens is that you have a loss, then a win, and you end up paying for many of those losers that you've had. So it's a different mindset where many traders, they're focused on always seeing a win, whereas with a butterfly type of trade, you might lose, win, and it can pay for 5 or 7 other butterflies that you lost on. And that's the big difference, that most people are set up and conditioned in order to want to feel that win all the time. And I'll tell you, it's not necessarily the best thing that you always want to do. So that's why I'm going to share with you how you can set these types of trades up. They're cheap, cost effective in order to really ramp up your earnings and income potentials and really reduce your risk on anything shorter duration, especially 0 DTE trades. Now, if you don't create asymmetrical risk to reward in your trades, you're always going to be risking a ton in order to win very little. And that's okay to do if you're okay with a big move wiping out a large of your gains, or you're able to manage that. But I've seen it firsthand coaching hundreds of different people over the last 10 plus years and doing classes on this type of subject, from butterfly spreads to iron condors. I've seen some of the troubles you can get into when you're doing trades like iron condors or even the wheel strategy compared to maybe butterfly spreads or vertical spreads. So it's completely different. And, I've seen it firsthand with a lot of different people who struggle with some of those types of trades where you have a much greater risk to your reward. Now, I want to construct this butterfly spread for you on Tesla and just show you the risk to reward potential. Now, over here on the bottom left, you'll be able to see the risk that we have is $26. Now, the market's closed right now, so prices are not fully accurate, but about $26 is what we're risking. And if we set up a butterfly spread a little bit bullish, the max potential on this is right around $220 or so. Now, you won't probably hit that. You might hit $100, you might hit $75, but the point is you're risking $25 to maybe hit $75, maybe hit $150. And you can do them short duration. If it blows up against you, well, you lose $26. And if it works, well, you can win, 1 out of 4 of these and you'll still be breaking even. So the point is that these have a really nice asymmetrical risk to reward. So that way you're always making, or the potential to make something is much greater than the amount you're risking. Now, in order to set this up, I want to share with you how we might do this. So we're going to pull up our ticker symbol. So here we go. We'll just type in Tesla and you can bring that down. You can do this on any strategy you like. You could be on NVIDIA, it could be on SPX, whatever you like. We'll go to the 1 DTE here because the market's closed right now. And then we can go to at the money or a little bit out of the money. So you're trying to pin something with a butterfly. And the way a butterfly works is you're going to sell to at a certain price. So we're going to go in and click once. Then we'll click again. I'm going to hold the control key and then I'm going to buy my wings on the outer skirts. Now you can also do this and build this trade. Just right click, go to buy on the Thinkorswim platform, go to butterfly spread right there, and it will also buy that spread for you. So depending on which one you do, buy a butterfly and it'll switch the strikes for you. Look at that, $26. Now, if you go a little bit further out, it'll be even cheaper. However, then the stock has to move a little more in your favor. But for Tesla to move to 395, okay, you have a delta of 22. So you're only going to look for a movement of maybe about $10 or so from here, which is possible, but you don't always need it to go all the way there. So that's why I would choose something like 392, and here it's a little bit closer and it can go a handful of bucks. If you look at the chart, you can see right here, this stock shot up pretty heavily, about $20 almost, no, 30 bucks in the last couple days, and it pulled back a little bit here. So you're playing this pin game on this, and it's quite possible that this stock could go. So there it is, our setup for $26 of risk. And the decay looks a little funny here on the theta, but really it's because it's a short duration trade. So it's not going to show you minute by minute, but this will puff up a lot further and later. I'm going to move this strike a little bit over just to show you how this might work on a longer duration. And that way you get a little bit of an idea. So let's say we're doing something a little bit further. This would be April 27th based on this. And April 27th is about 11 days from now. So you could do these even 11 days. And we're going to go in and I'll show you through time and through days how this will puff up. And then right there, even then that last day, you won't be able to see it, but you could have that potential of a 150 or 200 bucks. If you do a day step here at the very top, switch the expiration to day step, maybe go 4 days. I'm going to reset the days back over here, and then days in between. We'll go to maybe 1 day in between, and this will kind of give you an idea of how that theta curve decays a little bit. Let's see if we can go to maybe the May 1st or 9th. I'm just trying to see if we can get like the actual butterfly there and show you, but don't think it wants to do that. So in either case, it starts to decay and push a little further over time. And that's the way the butterfly works. So anyways, you can do this on short durations. You can do it a little bit longer duration. But ultimately these butterflies explode in value, but you got to try to hit kind of in that zone or center. There's some powerful moves behind it, and you're risking a lot less than, let's say, an iron condor. So even if it blows up completely in your face, the most you can risk is what you paid for it. You can just let them expire fully at worst case scenario. But if it pans out, you only got to win about 1 out of 5 just to keep breaking even. All right, so let me show you a couple more just to rifle off a few here. So we'll go to CRM for Salesforce. We'll go to 1 DTE. I'm going to go to about a strike or 2 out of the money, and we'll go to butterfly spread right here. Now with this one, then it's going to cost us about 43 cents on that for the debit. It is a $2.50 wide, and you can see right here, we're risking about 43 bucks to maybe make 100, maybe 150. Obviously at the max profit, you can make maybe $200, but you're probably not going to hit that. So, even if it gets in here, it decays a bit and it goes in that sweet spot. You go ahead and make a little bit of capital. Another one may be AMD. I'll pull this one up just to show you an AMD trade. We'll go to something right here, and this stock today blew up about 20 bucks or 7%. So let's say we did another one, even buy a butterfly right here, cost about 26 cents, very similar to the Tesla one. Also set it up, and then once you've got that setup going, even if it moves, handful of bucks, decays, you're risking 25. Maybe you could pull out 100, maybe 75 bucks, making 3, 4, 5 times your return on investment. Now, if you want to see how I build these structures along with a lot of other great strategies out there, check out our website, optionsblackbelt.com. There's tons of classes in there, over 50 classes, live sessions that I do. Just check the link in the description below. The fact is that most people watching this video are probably going to go back to doing their iron condors and risking maybe $5,000 to make $500. And if you want to do that, by all means, feel free to do that. Unfortunately, if you're tired of blowing things up in your face and you're sick and tired of, having one bad day wipe out a lot of your gains and wins, then maybe it's time to look for something that's a little bit better suited for you or has an asymmetrical risk to reward. Maybe something that's a better fit for your trading style. So in either case, check out the link in the description. Anyways, thanks for joining me. Truly appreciate it. And I will see you on the next one.